Chef Pachi.
Hi, today with Chef Pachi, we're out in the rain of the Pacific. It's amazing because there's a breeze that we love. And we are gonna make a special salmon that you're gonna love. It's made with smoked salmon. You can also make it with regular salmon.
We're gonna add our lime juice. We're gonna place all of our ingredients of the sauce in a bowl, and we are going to mix them. Then after they are mixed, we are gonna add a little bit of some rice vinegar where I had some ginger in it and some olive oil. We mix everything together and we set it aside for about 10 or 15 minutes or up to 3 days, well covered in a container and refrigerated. Now we're going to create our delicious salmon. We are going to plate our delicious salmon in a beautiful way. We are going to turn it around, make a beautiful flower for each one. Now we're going to use the last one because they're usually the largest, the last and the first, not here. Okay. And after we have the two flowers, which are going to be the decoration of each plate, we are going to cut this salmon in two and place the pieces on each plate. Simple as that. Check it out. And start placing them in your plate in the way you like it. Or if you have a round plate, it's going to make a little bit of a difference, but not much. Two. And now the dice, we're going to put it in the middle. One with avocados and the other with gooseberries. Gooseberries are delicious. You'll find them during the summertime, and you can make something different. Okay, so once we let it sit, they are going to have a beautiful and delicious taste. And we are going to use the olive oil that comes out to season and plate our salmon. So we got some here. We have a little bit here. We have our dice that we're going to mix with our avocado and some of the dressing, so that the avocado also carries some of our delicious taste. Now we're going to mix this. Of cilantro. Place it in there or transfer it to the plate. I think it's going to look nicer when you transfer it to the plate. And we're going to do the same thing with our other dish. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, we need 6, 5, 6. Okay, now these ones were bigger, so we're going to decorate it differently. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we're going to be able to do this because these ones are larger, so we can Just take the center, pinch, and that's it. Check it out. We have a new decoration that just happened to appear on our plate because this was the other side of the salmon. Let's do this. Okay, and now we're gonna mix our gooseberries also with some of the dressing. How about that beautiful bird? And now check out what I'm gonna do. This is gonna season our salmon, this beautiful oil, without removing the color from the dish. And voila, we have 2 beautiful plates of salmon, smoked salmon, that you can use also for a night, a light dinner for 2. I would say this is for 2 and this is for 2. Or if they're appetizers, you could do 6 people or even 8. And it's an amazing dinner. A beautiful appetizer and something great that any person can make for Valentine's Day, for Mother's Day. Voila, our delicious smoked salmon.